Less is more, and I'm going to give you one edible proof of it today. We're making a spinach coriander rice with a creamy paneer gravy. Let's see how it's done. We're going to first begin by making our herb rice. It's a very good way to include iron and protein in your regular diet. So I'm going to start by adding a little bit of butter in a very hot pan. Adding 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Once the raw taste of the garlic is gone, we're going to add in some ribbons of spinach, around 1/4 cup. Along with it, I'm going to add a handful of chopped coriander as well. We're going to saute this till it wilts. Once it wilts, add in some cooked rice. I'm using around 3/4 cups of cooked rice. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and some Italian seasoning. Now I'm going to toss it around. Our spinach and coriander herb rice is now ready. Let's move on to the paneer gravy. I have 150 grams of paneer over here. I've sliced it into a nice slab. Let me place it. I'm going to season this with salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and next I'm going to add a few chili flakes. Of course, you can flavor the paneer as you like. We're going to flip it over and do the same marination on the other side. Add a knob of butter right in the center. Place the pan on the induction and we're going to cook the paneer from both sides till it's nice and golden brown. Move the pieces of the paneer around to ensure that the butter coats all sides of it. Cook it on medium flame. Once the paneer cubes have a little bit of browning on both sides, take them off in a plate. Our paneer is now ready. Let's make our creamy sauce. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter along with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix and cook this very well till the raw taste of the flour is gone. Now that everything has come together and the flour and butter are bubbly, I'm using 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic along with half a green chili that has been finely chopped and half an onion, which again is finely chopped. We are going to saute this till the onion is nicely cooked. Once the onion is soft, I am going to add in 200 ml of milk. We are going to cook this till it thickens. We are going to season this with a little bit of salt, some Italian seasoning, and few red chili flakes. All the elements for our dish are now ready. We're going to serve it in a beautiful plate. I'm going to show you how the plating is done. Our rice, gravy and paneer will taste amazing together. The creamy gravy with the spinach rice is going to add a nice taste and texture. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.